Are you scared of the market right now? I have a lot of people that have messaged me at learningcrypto.com and also Twitter and also YouTube and all over the place. Even my friends are telling me, hey, I'm scared. I think it's the end of the bull market, or I think we are in a bull market now. Well, I have some hope for those that want to be bullish, that still have coins that are way down. Stick around because I'm going to quell your fears, even more so than I've done before. All right, but first, check this out. We had just in one day during those downdrafts, I'm not going to cover all of them, but this is why Heidi and I, we buy spot and we hold. Like I've had friends out there, and I'm not going to name your names, don't worry about it, that have leveraged themselves and have lost their butts. What is leverage? It's gambling. That's all it is. It's gambling. It's gambling whether, if you think the price is going to go higher, you're going to borrow money. You're borrowing money. It's not your money. You're going to borrow money to bet that the price is going to go higher. If you think the price is going to go down, you short it. So here's the tally of just one day. There was $742 million worth of longs that got liquidated, which means they were forced to sell. And also you have $198 million of shorts, so people that are gambling that the price is going to go lower. So these people are out, they're done. Like now they have to find more money to go ahead and, gamble again. These people are addicts, okay? These people don't understand the long-term prospects of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and alts. They think, okay, I'm going to make a quick buck. And that's not the case. That's not the way to do things. All right. That's never how I've never done that. I've never taken out leverage in the crypto space. I learned my lesson with stocks. I took out leverage and I got wrecked. All right. So just stay out of leverage. Okay. Moving on. We also have a whale on MakerDAO, which is facing liquidation with 60,810 ETH, worth about $100 million, $109 million. Now the liquidation price, pretty much 1,800 or 1,798, while the market did drop to 1,791. Now here's the thing, people can put up more money, so they're gonna like double down or something. So it's just gamblers, guys. Can you imagine how much this person is sweating right now? Thinking, oh crap, one more thing and I got to put more money down. Just stay out of it, okay? Moving on, we have Warren Buffett, one of the worst investors on the planet, worst popular investors on the planet. Why do you think I'm saying that? Yeah, you may think, okay, well, he's one of the best, right? Yeah, well, he's a globalist insider. We all know that. But here's the thing. Rumors suggest that Berkshire Hathaway, with $334.2 billion in cash, is considering investing in Bitcoin and crypto. I think this could be real, but I've seen a lot of different sites saying this is actually true. Now, this is the same guy that said this. Warren Buffett has been, this is on Google, Warren Buffett has been a vocal critic of Bitcoin, describing it as probably rat poison squared.
About 5 years ago, we asked Charlie Munger, we were sitting right there, what he thought of Bitcoin, and he said, rat poison. Yeah. Back then it was about $100+ per Bitcoin. Today it's 9,000. Is it still rat poison?
Well, probably rat poison squared.
What does that even mean? Think about it this way. He says something about an investment, clearly a investment that doesn't have any supply, it doesn't have an elastic supply. It's set. And he says something about something he doesn't know anything about. This is the type of investor Warren Buffett is. That's why I say he is one of the worst popular investors on the planet, because he's an idiot, okay? And keep in mind, he said this rat poison thing about 5 years ago, but he also said that he wouldn't pay $25 for all the Bitcoin in the world.
Now, if you told me you owned all of the Bitcoin in the world and you offered it to me for $25, I wouldn't take it, because what would I do with it?
So this is a guy that, once again, doesn't understand what he's talking about, doesn't study anything, because he's so entrenched in fiat. He doesn't want to, find a different way that might actually be the future, which was Bitcoin and crypto, and he totally blew it on that one. Imagine investing in his shares. No thanks. Rather be in Bitcoin, make way more money. Okay, moving on to America. 60% of Americans say that the US economy is bad. This is according to CBS, complete BS. But it is true. Like, it is really, really bad. Think about it this way. Inflation, don't listen to the real inflation numbers, guys, because you think inflation numbers have just gone down. I see it all over Twitter. What these people don't tell you about these news sites, whether it's, I'm not going to say the big news, crypto news sites or whatever, most of them are knuckleheads. They don't understand that these numbers don't include food or fuel. If they did include food or fuel, boy, that number would be much higher. And also, you're really going to believe the government's inflation numbers? I didn't think so. Okay, you guys are smarter than that. So with that said, things are going to get much worse, and especially with tariffs. So if you think inflation is bad, wait till the tariffs hit the prices in the United States. It's going to be really, really high unless the government pays for some of that to stifle the prices of things. So we'll see what happens. I definitely, I think it's going to be much, much more expensive. And you can quote me on that. Just quote me. Don't, whatever. Time is going to tell, but you'll see. Okay, moving on. We just had 11,833 Bitcoin moved from Mt. Gox. Now, $905 million was sent to a new wallet, and $26 million was moved to a warm wallet. So, what does this mean? Should you panic? Are they going to sell? No. Just relax. We've seen this before. So I see a lot of people, oh my gosh, it's the end. They're all selling because it's a bear market. No, that's not how it goes. Okay, guys. So we've experienced this is the 11th, 25% and more correction during a bear market. The 11th one in a decade. Okay, so over the past 10 years, this is the 11th time that we've had a correction that's over 25%. And keep in mind also that we've had 50+% corrections as well. So this is included. And I just see everybody so bearish, like, oh, it's over, it's over, it's over. Guys, check this one out. Lastly, the Fear and Greed Index. Last cycle, we visited extreme fear, which we are at right now, 3 times. And these periods lasted between 50 and 160 days. So what does that mean? What can you take from this? Relax. Just relax, man. Like we have learningcrypto.com up. And I think like I've turned into somebody that's holding people's hands through this, okay? Yes, we've taken profit already. We took profit almost within I missed our last sale for Bitcoin, like $200 from the top, the very, very top, which is pretty amazing. Like I usually don't get that close to a top. That was a temporary top in my opinion. I think we're going to go much up. I wouldn't say much higher, but probably $150,000 before we end this bull market. So with that said, chill out, just let the market do what it's going to do. Yes, it's a bit strange that ETH is taking quite a hit, but this is what you get when you have BlackRock getting involved. This is what you get when you invite the US government. So expect a lot of manipulation. That's all I have to say. If you want to have, your handheld, that's fine. This is what learningcrypto.com is for. You'll get to see what we've bought when we are selling. We're selling. We are selling already. So check this out. Talk to you soon.